Welcome to 3028 Hopi Drive. Get ready to check out your brand new home. This place is absolutely beautiful. Follow me up the driveway and I'm going to show you the two-car garage. When you come up here, this is your house. This place is absolutely beautiful. You've got a side staircase that guests can use. If not, they can certainly pull around where there's additional parking. The amount of trees and the views are incredible here. Let me show you inside. Happy on the Hopi. As you can see, when you get up here, you got plenty of parking, plenty of room to turn around, plenty of space for barbecue and family fun. And check out this extra deep garage. You can park all your four-wheelers, cars, toys, all that fun stuff. Check this private road out. It's an uphill bank, absolutely beautiful. And I gotta tell you, in the valley right now, it's 118. Up here, I believe it's like maybe 83 right now. But you've got this front deck that overlooks the entire south part of Happy Jack. Absolutely beautiful. Plenty of parking. You've got a two-car garage over here off the house. And we'll make it to the back of the house here shortly. Plenty of parking, easy to get up and down. You guys come on in. Let me show you around the inside of this house. All right, we just came through the front door. You're here into the dining room. Over here to the right, we've got a beautiful kitchen, gas appliances, stainless steel fridge, absolute plenty of storage. And then when you make your way back around, you've got an incredible living room. One thing I really liked with this house are the windows. They're not doors, they're windows to give you views of your outdoor patio that we just saw and the views of the trees. It's absolutely breathtaking. This particular house has 2 bedrooms downstairs. Come check this out before we go upstairs. So you've got 2 bedrooms here that will easily fit king beds if needed, just to kind of give you an idea on the size. This particular one has a door to the outside. So this is the back side of the house. I would say this is for your more special VIP guest. And then you've got a bathroom they can share right here. And then you've got another bedroom downstairs. And you'll notice there is no carpet downstairs. It's all wood plank flooring. All right, I'm standing here in this beautiful living room. Look at these vaulted ceilings. They're absolutely incredible. Heat-a-later fireplace. It gives off plenty of heat. And I'm sitting here still looking at these incredible views. Let me take you upstairs to the primary bedroom. I think you're really going to love it. This is the only carpet in the house. As you head up the stairs, you'll feel like a king and queen because you can overlook the railing here into your living room. And then when you get to the top of the stairs, you're going to enter through the double doors right here to your own personal primary bedroom and bath. Plenty of room in here. It's got a private deck, walk-in closet and bathroom mix. The primary bathroom is a shower only, just so you know as well. And then come on out, let's check out this deck. Great place just to sit at night and hang out and overlook your property.